Hi everybody, and welcome to 3Dsurvey tutorials. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the units in 3Dsurvey. This time, we'll be changing units from metric to imperial. The first thing you need to do is click Options in the upper selection menu and then click Application Settings. Here, you'll see units and just change them from metric to imperial. In the lower drop-down menu, you can choose International Foot, US Survey Foot, or any other unit by adding its conversion to meters. In this case, we'll be choosing International Foot and confirming it by clicking OK. To save the changes we have made, we are required to restart the program, so if you have already started the project, make sure to save it. Now that we have restarted the program, we can see that units are changed. But we must make sure that the coordinate system we are using is also made in the same units. So in this case, choose the one with feet or US feet in the brackets next to its name. That is all for this tutorial. Thank you and see you next time.